Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna discuss on how to conduct ethical AI research. Imagine a world where AI makes life easier. You may see self-driving cars, you may see personalized healthcare and robots that cook your favorite meal. Sounds amazing, right? But what if I told you that without ethical AI research, we could end up with biased algorithms. We could end up with privacy nightmares, and even AI system making unfair decisions. So today, we are diving deep into how to conduct ethical AI research, ensuring that the technology we build is not just smart, but also responsible. So before we get started, don't forget to use the like button and subscribe for more brain-boosting contents. Let's go. So what does it mean, ethical AI research? Because first thing is first, so we need to know what exactly is ethical AI research. In simple terms, ethical AI research is about developing AI or artificial intelligence that is fair, transparent, and beneficial to all. Or it means that ensuring that AI doesn't reinforce discrimination, AI doesn't reinforce or invade privacy, or manipulate people unfairly. Think of AI as a toddler. It learns from data, just like a child absorbs everything around them. Now, if a child only hears biased opinions, they might develop a skewed worldview. And artificial intelligence is no different. Our AI is no different. That's why ethical research is about making sure AI grows up right. So what we understand from the definition is that to ensure AI behaves ethically, researchers follow or need to follow key principles. And here are the key principles that researchers need to follow when conducting AI research. The first principle is fairness and bias prevention. Do you ever notice how voice assistants sometimes struggle with certain accents? That's because AI can pick up bias from data. Researchers must actively check for bias by using diverse datasets and continuously testing AI against different user groups. Think of it like a recipe. If you only use one type of spice, your dish will lack flavor. The same thing is true for AI. AI works the same way. A variety of data ensures a balanced outcome. And through this, we can be fair and preventing bias when we conduct AI research. And the second core principle is transparency and explainability. Guys, have you ever used a recommendation system that just knew what you wanted, but you had no idea how? That's the problem. AI should not be a black box. Rather, researchers should design models that can explain their decisions. Imagine if your GPS suddenly told you to drive into a river without an explanation. You wouldn't trust it, right? The same logic applies to AI. And the third core principles of ethical AI research is privacy and data protection. AI research often involves massive amounts of personal data. So it's crucial to protect user privacy and get informed consent before using any personal information. Would you be okay with your private message being used to train AI without your knowledge, guys? Exactly. That's why encryption, anonymization, and responsible data collection are must-haves. And the fourth principle or core principles of ethical AI research is safety and accountability. Here, if an AI system makes a mistake, who takes responsibility? The responsibility is on the researcher. And that's why AI researcher must ensure that systems are tested rigorously before deployment. A self-driving car making a wrong turn is not just inconvenient, guys. It can be dangerous also. So researchers must establish clear accountability. Because blaming AI is like saying that it wasn't me. It was my pet robot. which is not acceptable. So by ensuring those principles, we can conduct ethical AI research, guys. And now let's talk about real-world AI ethical dilemmas. The first real-world AI ethical dilemma is facial recognition controversy. Here, some AI systems have been less accurate for people of certain ethnicity. And this leads to wrongful arrest, guys. And it's not cool. And the second one is social media algorithms. Guys, ever feel like your feed is controlling you? That's because AI learns what keeps you engaged, even if it is harmful content. And the third real-life example is healthcare AI bias. Here, studies have shown some AI healthcare tools prioritize certain groups over others, which leading to unfair treatment. So these cases show why ethical research is not optional, guys. It's essential also. Therefore, guys, if you are working on ethical research, here is what you can do in order to stay ethical while you are conducting AI research. So the first work is you need to follow ethical AI guidelines. Here, organizations like the IEE and UNESCO have established ethical AI principles, so you need to stick to them. And secondly, you need to use diverse and unbiased data sets. The more inclusive the data, the fairer the AI will be. The third activity you need to do is prioritize privacy and security. You can do this by encrypt sensitive data and always get user consent. And fourthly, you need to test for fairness and bias regularly. Here, you can keep checking AI decisions to ensure no hidden bias creeps in, guys. And lastly, you need to encourage ethical AI discussions. You can do this by talking about AI ethics with your team and industry professionals. Remember, guys, good AI researchers are not just smart, they are also responsible. So there you have it. Ethical AI research is not just about creating cool technology. It's also about making sure artificial intelligence works for everyone. At the end, let me say one thing. If you find this video helpful, guys, give it a thumbs up and let me know in comments what's your biggest concern about AI ethics. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical, and keep innovating.